Hi students and friends, welcome to my channel. This is Sir Ayaz and I am conducting chemistry class for the syllabus code 5070. The learning outcomes for this lesson would be describe the alkanes as a homologous series of saturated hydrocarbons with the general formula CnH2n plus 2. First of all, I will talk about alkanes as a homologous series, which means all the members of the family differ by CH2 group or 14 units. We can predict the formula of the next incoming members by simply adding CH2. CH4 is the first member. You can easily predict the formula of the next member by adding CH2 in this way. The formula will be C2H6. All the members of the family have or follow same general formula, which is CnH2n plus 2. Let's take some examples. First of all, you have to learn the general formula for alkenes, which is CnH2n plus 2. CnH2n plus 2. This is a general formula. I have circled it with green. If you know the value of n, then you can work out the molecular formula of different alkane members. N represents number of carbon atoms in alkane molecule, which means it is a number. For instance, if the value of N is 1, then the molecular formula would be CH4. CH4. The name for this alkane is methane. It is widely used in cooking, heating, used in cooking, heating, CNG cars, etc. Methane is the first member of the alkane family. Let's work out the molecular formula of the second member of alkane. Here the value of N will be 2, so C will be 2, and in order to get the number of hydrogen atoms, we have to multiply 2 by 2. We will get 4. C2H4. We will then add 2. What we will get? We'll get H6. Therefore, the molecular formula will be C2H6. It is ethane. Members have gradual change in their physical properties like boiling point and melting point as the number of carbon chain increases. For example, there's a gradual increase in boiling point of alkane family. You can see this table, the table showing first 5 members of alkanes, which are methane, ethane, propane, butane, and pentane. You see, as the carbon number increases or carbon chain increases, the boiling point is increasing. The boiling point first member is minus 164 degrees Celsius. The second member, it is minus 89 degrees Celsius. And in the same way, it increases. The pentane is the first member which exists in the liquid state at room temperature and pressure. Chemical properties of all the members are very similar. For instance, alkanes undergo substitution reaction with chlorine, bromine, and iodine in the presence of ultraviolet light. Substitution by halogens in alkanes. The reaction takes place in the presence of ultraviolet or diffused light. Diffused light is evenly distributed. Condition is diffused light. Diffused light is evenly distributed, leaving no sharp shadows. Lastly, all the members of the family can be prepared by the similar method. Now I will explain what saturated hydrocarbons are. Hydrocarbons which contain only carbon-carbon single covalent bonds or simply single bonds are called saturated hydrocarbons. We know that alkanes are hydrocarbons as they are made up of only hydrogen and carbon. What you have to remember is that they contain only carbon-carbon single bonds. Carbon-carbon single bonds. This is one of the member of alkane. Let me draw the other member. This is the third member of alkane. You see, it contains only carbon-carbon single bond. I have circled it with green. These are the carbon-carbon single bonds. Other organic compounds can also be saturated if they contain carbon-carbon single bonds. Let me show you some examples of other organic compounds being saturated. This is an example of alcohol. This is an example of carboxylic acid. Both are from different family, but they contain carbon-carbon single bond. Due to this reason, they are also counted as saturated organic compounds. Here the learning outcomes are pointing alkanes being saturated or containing carbon-carbon single bonds. Now let's see the formula of other members of alkanes. You see, it contains only carbon-carbon single covalent bond. It does not contain any kind of carbon-carbon double bond. This is another member of alkane. It's also alkane. Again, you'll see it contains only carbon-carbon single bond. In summary, alkanes are homologous series, which means all the members of the family have same general formula, that is CnH2n plus 2. Members have gradual change in their physical properties like boiling point and melting point as the number of carbon chain increases. For example, there's a gradual increase in boiling points of alkane family. Chemical properties of all the members are very similar. All the members of the family can be prepared by the similar method. Saturated hydrocarbons are those hydrocarbons which contain or in which all the carbon-carbon bonds are single bonds, single covalent bonds. Saturated organic compounds are also termed as saturated if they contain only carbon-carbon single bonds. Alkanes have or follow general formula, which is CnH2n. Here is the name and formula of first two members. Methane, when the value of n is 1, the formula would be CH4. The second member is ethane, in which the value of n is 2, and the formula would be C2H6. For the third member, if the value of n is 3, the formula would be C3H8. Its name is propane. The fourth member with the value of n is 4. The molecular formula would be C4H10, and it is butane. Here's a past paper question. The alkanes are a homologous series of saturated hydrocarbons. A1, write the Chernow formula for the alkane homologous series. The answer would be CnH2n plus 2. Each member of a particular homologous series has the same Chernow formula. Give one other characteristics of a homologous series. You can quote functional group, chemical properties, methods of preparation, etc. What is meant by the term saturated? What is the meaning of the term saturated? Containing carbon single bonds. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.